Greetings and salutations. So I noticed that there was a little patch, and they haven't updated it on the Steam because when you go to Steam and you click on Empyrium, almost said Empyrium. It says major update 6:45 p.m. But it doesn't give. It's still August 5th. So I had to do a little digging. Let's see if I up arrow. Nope, it's still got the main update. So I wonder if it's because Steam, there's some kind of authentication access. So I just went to the Discord and I pulled it off of Discord and I just cut and pasted into a Word document to show what what some of the changes are. Some of these are actually pretty prolific. Build setting window added shortcut. So when you press the N key, now you have Control C, Control V, Control X, Control R, Control D, Control F. And those of you who don't know, those are basically your default kind of window word processing, document. So, like for example, if I hit Control C, it copies the text. So if let's say I select this and I hit Control C, right, and if I hit Control, I select somewhere else. Let me just select somewhere. If I hit Control V, you can see where it just copies it. So and Control Z is undo. So they've added that functionality, but you have to press the N key and you get that dialog box on the right that kind of gives you your some of your tool sets, and then you unlock some of that stuff. So that's going to expedite and speed up things pretty significantly. It also says build setting window. That's the N key again. Added a shortcut for rotating blocks, scroll wheel, and toggling through axis. That's really nice. Build setting windows. Middle mouse button will toggle through selection mode, move, scroll, rotate. See, so they've kind of went through and refined some of that, which is real because that's my favorite part of the game. Increased availability of titanium ore and rods in loot drops. That's nice. Tutorial scenario increased ore and decreased signal wreckage. Personal constructor. Decrease signal wreckage. Personal constructor. Tutorial scenario. Increase ore in. Okay, I don't know what that does. Trading station. POIs. Xerox, Polaris, and Trader with admin core have their SBD features deactivated. I don't know what that means. SBD features deactivated. Community Phoenix Fear or Community Phoenix Fern turnip screen can be bought and sold at any Mary and Talon Trader. Okay, so it sounds like they've added some more vegetables or some more plants at the traders, which is good. Um, Console commands ID is limited to now to 50 meters. Oh, that's good. Um, Limited number of work traders on a detective server to 8 on a playfield, server to 5 to improve the overall system performance on okay, limited number of worker threads. I wonder what worker threads on. I wonder what that means. Limited number of worker threads on dedicated server to 8 and on the playfield server to 5 to improve overall system performance on servers with many cores. I have no idea what that means. DB SQ list setting general mode to WAL save game. Okay, whatever. Tutorial added grow plots and lights to the constructor. Very nice. Tutorial fixed issue with important message not popping up. Tutorial increased display time of a few messages. DB, I think that's debug. Debug, remove port number from IP address if server chooses to log. Okay. DB debug setting normal mode to memory if the hope of increasing write performance. Okay, dialogue system added access to player experience point level upgrade point. Okay. Okay. And then a number of fixes. So it looks like not too many fixes, but these four, I gotta say, these four up here about having the ability to. This is pretty big. It's kind of a one of those things where it's a workhorse and it's not, it's not glorified, but it improves the quality of game pretty significantly. So okay, I have no idea what that does. Base attack troops when underwater stop moving when close to player base. Fixed origin default from game optics sent MP game. Fixed wrong chapter number for ancient. Okay, whatever. Fixed for system map, not allowing for select planets into current planet. Okay, that might be big. Fixed not able to warp to some star system settings. The lag or Turkish. Okay. Player POV and player map icons can become okay. Planets don't grow when far away from them. Plants don't grow when far away from them. That's actually a good one. I think I know what that one how that happens because it's my understanding that you had to be in the same zone in order to for plants to grow. So that's a good one. Avatar size glitch after spamming blocks the player can use to sit. Okay. Fixed teleport on Xeno mainframe deactivating on exploration of station. Okay, that's a good one because you always get trapped. Fixed tutorial, Kinda dialogue, and okay, so not too many big fixes. More of some quality of life. I know that was a little bit of a ramble there. The problem is as I read this, I don't necessarily know what it does or what it is. So I think about what it's. I'm like, man, I don't know what that is. But these four up here, these changes, I don't really care about the tutorial. All my playtime, I've just been skipping past the tutorial. But I've spent probably 150 hours in the build quality. So build settings, Windows, middle mouse. See, these are actually pretty big. These are pretty big. But yeah, as always, let me know what you think, and so this is what I'm gonna call the patch notes right here. I'm gonna name the video this right here. Thanks for watching. Let me turn this off here.